10 grams of NaOH are dissolved in 1 liter of a solution, knowing that Na is 23, O is 16, and H is 1, find the molarity. Okay, we need to remember that these numbers that they are given for us here, what are they? Na is 23. This is the molar mass. This is molar mass. What's it mean, molar mass? What's it mean, molar mass? That means this number, which is 23, it means molar mass of sodium. Okay, what does it mean, molar mass of sodium? It means the mass in grams, in 1 mole of sodium atoms. So that means now if I'm talking about 1 mole of sodium atoms, what is its mass? It's going to be 23 grams. So that means this one now, grams. What is its unit? Grams, but we are talking about 1 mole of sodium. And here, 1 mole of oxygen, it's what? It's 16 grams. 16 what? Grams. The mass of 1 mole of oxygen. And here it means the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atoms is 1 gram. Okay, now we understand these ones. Okay, if we have this compound, NaOH, as you see, it consists of sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Okay, now 1 mole, if we are talking about 1 mole, keep that in mind, 1 mole of NaOH. 1 mole, that means Avogadro's number of these ones. That means we have 1 mole of these molecules. What will be the mass of it? It's going to be the mass of 1 mole of Na, and 1 mole of this one, and 1 mole of this one. Okay, how does that happen? How does that happen? For example, now, if we say 2 people, as we know, 2 people, the mass of 2 people, they make pair, right? Or 2 things, they make 1 pair. 2, they make 1 pair. Okay, if I have 5 pairs, what would be the weight of 5 pairs in this case? It's going to be the mass of what? Of 10 people. If you watch that once, that means now if we are talking about the mass of 1 mole of this compound, the mass of 1 mole of this compound, and mole, it means number of molecules, So that means number of molecules here, if they are 1 mole, what will be their mass? It's going to be the mass of their components, mass of sodium, mass of oxygen, mass of hydrogen, and each one will be with what? With its molar mass. So that means 1 mole now of NaCl, 1 mole of NaOH, 1 mole of it is going to be here 23, and here is 16, and here is 1. If you add them, it's going to be 40. It's going to be what? 40. So that means 1 mole of NaOH, it equals 40 grams. 40 grams. Good. So that means 40 grams are dissolved in 1 liter. That means 1 mole dissolved in 1 liter. But now, what is dissolved here? Only 10 grams. 10 grams of NaOH. 10 grams, that means out of 40 grams, it represents quarter. So quarter 1 mole. So if you divide now, this is now, as you see, 1 mole of NaOH equals 40 grams. Okay, can I divide this equation? Can I divide both sides by 4? Yes. If you divide here by 4 and divide here by 4, what will you get? When you divide by 4 by 4. On the left side, you will get 10 grams. Here, you will get what? 10 grams. 10 grams equals what on the left side? 1 over 4 moles. So 0.25 moles. 0.25 moles. So that means now 10 grams of NaOH, it means 0.25 grams. 0.25 moles. So here now, I can rewrite this one now as just 0.25 moles. Okay, now it's dissolved in 1 liter. Okay, that means what is the molarity now? Molarity is number of moles, dissolved moles, which is 0.25 over the volume in liter. The volume is liter 1. So 0.25 over 1 is going to be 0.25 molarity.